First up on the show, with the NDA all set to form the government in India for the historic third consecutive time, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the bloc the most successful. Modi attacked the opposition during the NDA parliamentary meet. Modi said that the NDA was not a grouping of parties that have come together for power, but an organic alliance committed to the principle of nation first. Listen in.
एनडीए को करीब करीब 3 दशक हो चुके हैं। यानी आजादी के 75 साल में 3 दशक एनडीए, ये सामान्य घटना नहीं है जी। विविधता से भरे हुए अपनी लोकतांत्रिक और सामाजिक रचना के बीच में ये 3 दशक की यात्रा एक बहुत बड़ी मजबूती का संदेश देती है। और मैं आज बड़े गर्व के साथ कहता हूं कि किसी एक समय वो था कि संगठन के कार्यकर्ता के रूप में इस अलायंस का हिस्सा था, व्यवस्थाओं से जुड़ा रहता था और आज सदन में बैठ करके आपके साथ काम करते करते मेरा भी नाता इससे 30 साल का रहा है। और मैं कह सकता हूं, हकीकतों के तथ्यों के आधार पर कह सकता हूं, ये सबसे सफल अलायंस है।
And Rajnath Singh formally proposed the name of Narendra Modi as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance. Singh said that Modi's name was the most suitable for the prime ministerial post.
संसदीय दल के नेता व एनडीए संसदीय दल के नेता।
Today we are here to select the leader of the BJP Parliamentary Party, leader of the NDA Parliamentary Party and leader of the Lok Sabha. And I believe that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's name is the most suitable for all these posts.
Now, addressing the bloc, Amit Shah supported Rajnath Singh's proposal, adding that 140 crore people of India wanted to see Narendra Modi lead the country for the next 5 years.
देश के रक्षा मंत्री जी ने
I support the proposal put forth by the Defence Minister. This proposal is not only the desire of the people sitting here. This is the proposal of 140 crore people in the country.
श्रीमान नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नाम का प्रस्ताव रखा है, इसका मैं मन से समर्थन करता हूं।
And TDP's N. Chandrababu Naidu, JDU's Nitish Kumar also endorsed Modi as the Prime Minister. In his address, Modi thanked the alliance partners for unanimously choosing him as the leader of the NDA.
साथियों, मेरा बहुत सौभाग्य है कि एनडीए के नेता के रूप में आप सब साथियों ने सर्वसम्मति से चुन करके मुझे एक नया दायित्व दिया है।
Now, in the meeting underway at the Central Hall of the Old Parliament, alliance partners are working out the formula for cabinet allocation. Following the meeting, senior alliance members, including N. Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar, will join Prime Minister-elect Narendra Modi in a meeting with President Draupadi Murmu. Modi will stake claim to form the government, presenting the list of parliamentarians supporting him. He will take oath as Prime Minister for the historic third consecutive term on Sunday. Meanwhile, ahead of the NDA MPs meeting today, Naidu and Kumar, who have emerged as kingmakers this time, called the meeting with the newly elected parliamentarians from their respective parties. Chirag Paswan also met with the lawmakers from the LJP. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.